Looking for the top 5 best 6x9 car speakers of 2026? In this video, we're comparing 5 excellent options from brands like Infinity, Alpine, JBL, Focal, and more. We'll look at sound quality, power handling, bass performance, build quality, and overall value to help you find the perfect 6x9 speakers for your car audio upgrade. Starting at number 1. Infinity Kappa 693C 6" by 9" speaker. The Infinity Kappa 693C 6x9" two-way component speaker system is a premium car audio upgrade designed for powerful, detailed sound. It features glass fiber woofer cones for strong and efficient low-frequency performance, along with edge-driven silk dome tweeters that deliver smooth, high-resolution highs up to 40 kHz. The system can handle up to 290 watts of maximum power, includes compact crossovers, and offers 0 dB or -3 dB tweeter level adjustment to help optimize the sound for different installation locations. It comes with 2 woofers, 2 tweeters, 2 crossovers, spacers, mounting hardware, and other installation accessories, making the Infinity Kappa 693C an excellent choice for drivers looking for premium sound quality and strong performance from a 6x9 component system. Number 2. Alpine R2S 69 6x9 600W R-Series coaxial car speakers. The Alpine R2S 69 6x9" R-Series coaxial speakers are a high-performance car audio upgrade designed to deliver crisp highs, strong mids, and powerful bass. They feature a glass fiber reinforced cone, Alpine's HMR surround, and 1" magnesium hard dome tweeters with a frequency response reaching up to 40 kHz. The official specifications list 100W RMS and 300W peak power handling for the pair, rather than the 600W figure in the bundle description. The included NVX silicone speaker baffles are designed to improve the seal around the speakers and help reduce unwanted vibration, while the Alpine set includes protective grills and mounting hardware for installation. Overall, this bundle is a strong choice for anyone looking for powerful, detailed, high-resolution sound from a 6x9" speaker upgrade. Number 3. JBL GTO 939 GTO Car Coaxial Audio Speakers. The JBL GTO 939 is a high-performance 6x9" three-way coaxial car speaker system designed to deliver powerful, full-range sound. It features a +1 woofer cone with a rubber surround, adjustable mylar titanium tweeter and super tweeter, and a 300W peak/100W RMS power rating with a 3 ohm impedance. JBL lists a 46 Hz, 21 kHz frequency response and 94 dB sensitivity, while the adjustable tweeter level allows the high-frequency output to be tuned for different mounting positions or road noise conditions. With a mounting depth of about 2 13/16 inches, the GTO 939 is a solid choice for upgrading a factory 6x9 setup with stronger bass, clearer highs, and higher overall output. Number 4. Focal RCX 690 Auditor Series Coaxial Speakers. The Focal RCX 690 Auditor Series 6x9" three-way coaxial speakers are designed as a straightforward factory speaker upgrade, offering a combination of clear highs and solid mid-range performance. They use a polypropylene woofer cone, butyl surround, and inverted dome mylar tweeter/mid-range, with a 92 dB sensitivity and 4 ohm impedance. Focal rates them at 80W RMS nominal power and 160W maximum power, with a 50 Hz, 20 kHz frequency response. The speakers also feature a rigid steel basket and a 35mm voice coil, while grills and mounting hardware are included. Overall, the RCX 690 is a good option for listeners who want balanced, efficient sound from a 6x9 coaxial setup without moving to a more complicated component system. Number 5. Infinity Reference REF 96339. The Infinity Reference REF 96339 6x9" three-way coaxial speakers are a strong choice for upgrading a factory car audio system, combining a polypropylene +1 woofer cone with a high-roll rubber surround, a 1" edge-driven textile dome tweeter, and a textile semi-dome super tweeter. They are rated at 100W RMS and 300W peak power, With 94 dB sensitivity, a 46 Hz, 30 kHz frequency response, and a 3 ohm impedance. The larger +1 woofer provides additional cone area for stronger bass and improved mid-range performance, while the optimized basket is designed to fit many factory speaker locations. Grills, spacers, mounting screws, and speed clips are included, making the REF 96339 a versatile 6x9 upgrade for listeners who want high output, enhanced bass, and detailed highs.